you're experiencing a server timeout issue in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem and get back to playing. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to check if the servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the server timeout issue. Step 3. Restart your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can refresh your internet connection and resolve any connectivity issues. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Go to your network settings and change your DNS to a public DNS server like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8 4.4. This can improve your connection to the game servers. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or GOG, use the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue and enjoy your gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.